hopefully everybody can see. We don't want to pass this around because every time we move the bottle, it's going to shift what is inside. But you should be able to get an idea of how certain soil types have settled, okay? Even though we have shaken the bottle, and we've only let it sit for 15 minutes, right? Now think of this like a flood. We had a lot more water than we did soils. If I combined all the soils, look, you can see how much the water level rose from the original to here. The soil level didn't rise a lot. You know when you put something with mass inside water, how it causes the water level to rise? How many of you ever noticed that with ice cubes? If you add ice cubes to a glass of water after you've already filled it with water, you're limited with how many ice cubes you can put in there because it will raise the water level and it may spill over. You know what I'm talking about? So you can see from these water levels, because these were exactly the same when we started, that it didn't raise all that much with water level, even though I put 8 teaspoons of different soils, because 2 of each in the bottle. All right, so you're going to mask up, and I want you to all come up and look at this without touching it so that you can really get down and try to see the different soils that are mixed in with that water. So mask up. Jackson. All the way. Yep, nose and mouth covered. All right, come up here and you're going to take a look at our bottle and try to identify all 4 soil types in there. You can get down and look at it. Everybody, come on. Move. We're looking at the different soils in here. You're trying to identify the different soils in here. All right, I will lift it up so you can see the bottom. But I don't want to shift it too much because it'll change it'll be like shaking it all over again. We don't want to do that. All right, now I'm going to leave this overnight so we can come back and look at it again tomorrow and see what else has altered. But for right now, everybody go back to your seat and draw in your activity manual on page 5 what your observation was and see how it compares with your prediction. Okay?